Okay, here we have our stock number 5294. It's our Beehive Pirana deboner. I'll show you some things about it here. We've got the new control box here. See the drive down below. Here's the hopper, the agitator, and here's the head. We'll go ahead and start it up just so you can see it go. There you go. We had to hold the safety down there so it would actually operate. Here's the new sprocket and chains here. Now he's going to go ahead and run it again here. Like you can see. Now why don't you try to open that hopper and see if it shuts off, which it does. All right. So anyway, everything's ready to go. Give us a call at 765-659-3794.